Hey beauties, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Angie, and today I'm going to show you how to slay the easy way. Today I'm going to be headed out to my children's appointment. It is 4:30 and the appointment is at 5, so I'm going to head out shortly, but definitely watch how I achieve this look. This unit is from YGwigs and the links will be below, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Also stay tuned for my giveaway that I'm going to be announcing throughout the video, so you have to be watching the entire video. Don't worry, it won't be too long, and be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to enter. Enjoy this install. So today's get ready with me. I already have my makeup on, I already have my cap on, my hair is just slicked back, and I already did, like I said, my makeup because it's no need. It's just a basic eye. I have an appointment. Actually, all of my children have a appointment today. They are just getting normal wellness checkups with their pediatrician, and so I'm pretty much dressed. I just have on, hold on you guys, I just have on this necklace. It's actually two, you guys don't mind this, but I just have on a basic little shirt. I just threw this on. It's from YGwigs, you guys, and I've already bleached the knots and I've already put this wig on, you guys. Like, I love the wig so much. I already put it on, but they gave me like a Chanel headband, which is cute, and they gave me like a little I don't know what this is. Looks like a clip. I don't know. I got a edge comb, some clips, which I love these so much. These hair clips are bomb. I'm actually gonna use these today. I've already bleached the knots, you guys. Pretty much every unit unless I tell you guys the knots have been bleached, so they already have a tint to them. I've already plucked the hairline, so they already have like the little, y'all know. So this unit, it's just like some light wave going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and we're gonna get started. So here is the unit. It's a middle part. It's just some light waves going on with it, natural light waves, braids. So what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, like, this is really nice. They also gave me this, which is a curler. Here is the clip. It's a clip, and this is like some hair ties, and you pretty much like take, let me see, the hair, and I've never used this before, but let's just say you take it, let me see. Okay, so it like curls it, but I don't know how to work this. But you do get this with it, and if I knew how to work it, I would curl it that way. But first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair back with my clips. And so what I'm gonna do is, the lace only stops right here, you guys. You see that? It's just melting in, okay? So what I'm gonna do is take my unit, and I'm just gonna spray with my Got To Be spray. And I'm going to take my elastic bands and tie it down, okay? So in this video, as I'm getting ready, I'm going to tell you guys I'm going to be doing a cash prize giveaway, and I'm actually going to Cash App it because that's easier. So I'm going to Cash App it. So if you have Cash App, drop your Cash App below, and it's going to be a surprise. So yeah, drop your Cash App, and I'm going to select a random winner, and I'm going to send a surprise gift to your Cash App, so be on the lookout. I'm gonna give back to you guys who are always supporting me, always watching the videos, always commenting and things like that, and I really just want to bless you all. So I'm gonna be selecting one winner, and I'm gonna do this quite often, so you gotta make sure you be watching the videos to see when, you know, and you never know, I might announce it at the middle or ending of a video, so be sure to be watching all the videos all the way through. Do not skip, because you might miss out on a opportunity. Yeah, because you might miss out on an opportunity for, you know, a blessing. So definitely be watching all the videos, watch all the way through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just letting this just mold it down, okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to straighten this out a little bit, and I'm going to wand curl my hair because I haven't in a minute, and I definitely want to. This unit again is from YGwigs, YGwigs.com, so definitely click the link below. So now I'm about to take this off, but yeah, so leave your Cash App below if you're feeling lucky. Okay, so okay, so this is from like a, you know, like a little braid out, because I wore this already. Okay, so then now I'm gonna take the Edge Wax by Studio Tech Leo, and we're gonna go ahead and
it's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you
okay, so now I'm about to go ahead and go in with my Bio Silk. As y'all see, like literally it's giving scalp, okay? I'm gonna go in with the Bio Silk, y'all. This is the truth. You can get this at Target, you can get this at Walmart, the hair store. So what I'm gonna do is just, you see how flat this install is? The hair is just nice and full, the hair is soft, it's just bomb, okay? And it has like a light little wave from a braid out, like just braiding it and wearing it braided. So what I'm gonna do really quickly, because I gotta get to the appointment, I'm just gonna go in and take my wand curler and wrap it. Now they give you like a heatless curl, the little foam thing, but I don't know how to use it, so I'm not using it, but that is an option too for your hair. So I'm just gonna go through this, and I just want to do some light beach waves.
my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need,
I want to see you commenting, and you can enter as many times as you like. Just leave multiple comments. Like it doesn't matter. Like I'm looking at the most comments I see, the first comment I see. So be sure to enter as many times as you possibly can, and it's gonna be a nice amount. Y'all know how I roll. And it's gonna be my first giveaway on this page, so I gotta go with a bang. So Cash App, make sure you spell everything correctly so that you get it. And so yeah, so I've been decorated today after I take my kids. After I take my kids to their appointment, I am going to be going to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, I think, a couple home stores, so that I can look for some little items, you know, some little home decor. I need like picture frames and stuff like that. And so I'm going to be vlogging that for my main channel, Riley and Angie. If you want to see family and, you know, stuff like that, definitely check that out. But yeah, so I'm going to be going to some home stores. Please send some websites that you guys like to shop online for home furniture so that I can check them out. Like a good spot for affordable rug, because shoot, why do rugs cost as much as they do? Like what in the world? Like who would have known? Like what's a expensive item you didn't know was expensive until you became an adult and had to actually buy it? I would have to say I would have to say like maybe a rug and a mirror, like a full-length mirror. Did not know it was that expensive until I'm literally shopping around for the perfect full mirror, because in my room, which I'm in one area of my room, it's pretty large, and I really want a full-length mirror so I can look at my full outfits. So definitely let me know. And these curls, baby, this hair is just holding, like literally it's holding the curls. Y'all see, I'm not even holding the hair on this iron that long. So go ahead and do that. So yeah, doing some home shopping, decorating kids' rooms and stuff. So today that is what is on the agenda. Is after their appointment. Their appointments typically go pretty fast because they're not sick, there's nothing going on with them at all. So thank you, Lord, for that. Also, where do you guys get nice pretty portraits for your home for like a big wall space? I just need some help. I need some advice. Like, where do you guys shop for home items? Because you know, when you're trying to, like, our home is furnished, but there is just like natural decor. Like there's furnished and there's furnished.
It is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, cause I gotta know. Let me know.
Okay, so this is the hair. Now I'm about to just pull. Ooh, this is really pretty, you guys, and that concludes today's tutorial. Links to this hair is below. Hair is gorgeous. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil onto it. This is just gonna kind of like bring all the curls out. This is just a silkening serum. I swear by this. I use this on every unit I own. Scalp, you guys, like, oh, let me show you guys the back. And be sure to thumbs up. Be sure to enter my giveaway, you guys. It's gonna be a cash prize giveaway. It's gonna be a nice amount of money. And so stay tuned. So below this video, definitely drop your Cash App, and you could just say something. Doesn't matter. You don't have to tell me why you want it or anything like that. You just say something nice about the hair, the unit, something. Just something. Talk about the hair. And drop your Cash App, and I'll just be selecting. You can enter as many times as you like, so be sure to do that. And I love you guys. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Please thumbs up. You have to be thumbsing up the video, you guys. That's it. That's all I ask. Thumbs up the video and leave a comment before you leave. And good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Okay, so now I'm about to show you guys how you can get heatless curls. It's nighttime. I'm about to take my makeup off, you guys. And first I'm actually going to start with my Bio Silk to silken my hair up. My curls have failed. So I just put a little Bio Silk onto my hair. Just like so. Just to add moisture and shine. And okay, now that I went ahead and added me some oil. Just detangle the hair with your hands. Okay, then you take it's like a little foam curler. You put it onto your hair, just like so. So what I'm gonna do is just hold one side, the hair tie that come with it, just like this, just to keep it from falling. Then I'm gonna take it, put it across my head, and what you do is you take the hair and you wrap it around just like this, and every time you go around you add the rest of the hair around just like this. Okay, then we're going to take the hair tie and we're going to go ahead and secure the bottom just like that. Okay, and this is how you achieve heatless curls. Then we're going to go ahead and take the foam and we're just going to wrap and go around. We're going to add in more hair. You might have to look at yourself in the mirror. There we go. So this is going to go ahead and just do heatless curls. Now, so we're gonna give these a few minutes to mold, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my heatless curls. Now this is something you can do, like I said, once your hair has fallen and it's gotten old and all of that. So I'll be right back. We're gonna go ahead and take them off. Okay. And we're just gonna let the curls fall. It's literally, it literally worked. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this literally worked. Hold on. First of all, this legit worked. Whoa. Wow. I love this. I'm literally gonna do this, and this is perfect because you literally can do this, put the foam on to create your curls. You can put this on throughout the day and let it literally mold. Like, this is impressive. Like, what in the world? Wow. Bomb. Heatless curls, just like that. Okay, I'm about to put it back on, you guys, and I'm about to go to bed. This is perfect. Look. Bomb. Okay.
Me when I need you most, we got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, 'cause I got